Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the wonders of the human body. Today, we're going on an adventure through your circulatory system, one of the most fascinating and essential systems in your body. It's like a superhighway inside your body, with roads that carry blood everywhere, ensuring every part of you gets what it needs. This highway is incredibly important because it helps keep you alive by transporting vital substances throughout your body. It's how your body gets the oxygen and food it needs to work efficiently, powering everything you do, from thinking to moving. Imagine tiny little cars zooming around your body, delivering important packages like oxygen and nutrients to your cells. That's kind of what your blood does. It's a non-stop delivery service that never takes a break. It travels through a vast network of tubes called blood vessels, which are spread throughout your entire body. These vessels are like roads, and there are three main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries, each with a unique role. Arteries are like the big freeways, carrying blood away from your heart to the rest of your body. Veins are like the smaller roads, bringing blood back to the heart after it has delivered its cargo. Capillaries are like the tiny streets that connect everything, allowing for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste. They deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells and take away waste products, keeping your body clean and efficient. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride through your circulatory system. It's going to be a thrilling journey. We're going to learn all about how it works, why it's so important, and how it keeps you alive and healthy every single day. Now, let's talk more about blood, the amazing fluid that travels those roads. Blood is a vital part of our bodies, and it performs many crucial functions that keep us alive and healthy. You might think of blood as just a red liquid, but it's so much more than that. It's a complex mixture of cells, proteins, and other substances that work together to support our body's needs. It's like a special delivery service that carries everything your body needs. Imagine it as a fleet of tiny delivery trucks, each with a specific job to do. One of the most important things blood carries is oxygen. Oxygen is essential for the survival of every cell in your body. You know how you need to breathe to survive? Well, that's because your body needs oxygen to work properly. When you inhale, oxygen enters your lungs and is absorbed into your blood. Blood picks up oxygen from your lungs and delivers it to all your cells. But that's not all. Blood also plays a key role in removing carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration. Blood also carries nutrients from the food you eat. These nutrients include vitamins, minerals, and other essential compounds that your body needs to function. These nutrients give your cells energy to grow and do all sorts of cool things. Without these nutrients, your cells wouldn't be able to perform their necessary functions. Think of it like a pizza delivery guy bringing fuel for your body's engine. Just as a car needs fuel to run, your body needs nutrients to keep going. And just like any good delivery service, blood also takes away the trash. This is crucial for maintaining a clean and healthy environment within your body. As your cells do their work, they produce waste products. These waste products need to be removed to prevent them from building up and causing harm. Blood picks up this waste and carries it to your organs like your kidneys and liver to be filtered out of your body. This process helps to keep your internal environment stable and free of toxins, so blood is like a busy little bee, constantly working to keep your body healthy and running smoothly. It's always on the move, ensuring that every part of your body gets what it needs to thrive. Have you ever felt your heart beating in your chest? That thump is your heart pumping blood throughout your body. And guess what? That pumping creates pressure in your blood vessels, which we call blood pressure. Think of it like a hose with water flowing through it. If you turn the water pressure up, the water flows faster and with more force. Similarly, when your heart beats, it creates pressure that pushes blood through your vessels. Blood pressure is measured with two numbers, like this: 120/80. The top number is called systolic pressure, and measures the pressure when your heart beats. The bottom number is diastolic pressure and measures the pressure when your heart rests between beats. Having healthy blood pressure is important because it means your blood is flowing properly. If your blood pressure is too high or too low, it can put stress on your heart and blood vessels, leading to health problems. Remember how we talked about blood pressure being like water pressure in a hose? Imagine a garden hose. When you turn on the faucet, water flows through the hose at a certain pressure. If you increase the water flow, the pressure inside the hose goes up. Well, just like too much water can make the hose burst, Too much fluid in your blood vessels can raise your blood pressure. This is because the extra fluid increases the pressure against the walls of your blood vessels, making them work harder. What puts extra fluid in your blood? You might be wondering what causes this increase in fluid. One culprit is too much salt. Salt is sneaky and can be found in many of the foods we love to eat, like chips, pretzels, and even some canned soups. When you eat salty foods, your body holds onto more water to balance things out. This extra water increases the volume of blood in your vessels, which in turn raises your blood pressure. This extra fluid makes your heart work harder to pump blood, which can lead to high blood pressure. Your heart is like a pump, and when it has to work harder, it can get tired and strained over time. Stress can also make your blood pressure go up. When you're stressed, your body reacts in ways that can affect your heart and blood vessels. When you feel stressed, your body releases hormones that make your heart beat faster and your blood vessels narrow. This is your body's way of preparing to deal with a challenge, but it also increases blood pressure. This is like putting your thumb over the end of the hose. It makes the pressure go up. The narrower the opening, the higher the pressure inside. That's why it's important to eat a healthy diet low in salt, and find healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise or spending time doing things you enjoy. Activities like yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk can make a big difference. Taking care of your body can help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. By making these small changes, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Section 5. Arteries, the body's superhighways. Let's zoom in on those arteries again, the big freeways of your circulatory system. Arteries have a special design that helps them handle the pressure of blood flowing through them. Think of a sturdy garden hose with flexible walls. Arteries are similar. They have strong elastic walls that can expand and contract like a rubber band. This flexibility allows them to handle the pressure changes that happen when your heart beats. Each time your heart pumps, it sends a surge of blood into your arteries. The elastic walls of the arteries stretch to accommodate this surge, then bounce back to their normal size, propelling the blood forward. Pretty cool, right? These amazing highways are essential for delivering oxygen-rich blood to every corner of your body. But sometimes things can go wrong in these superhighways, leading to some serious problems. Section 6. Atherosclerosis, a traffic jam in your bloodstream. Remember how we talked about arteries being like highways? Well, imagine a traffic jam on those highways, slowing everything down. That's kind of what happens in atherosclerosis, a condition that affects your arteries. Atherosclerosis starts when the inner walls of your arteries get damaged. It's like getting a scratch on your favorite toy. It's not good. This damage can happen from things like high blood pressure, smoking, or having high cholesterol. When the artery wall is damaged, your body tries to fix it. But sometimes, this repair process goes a little haywire. Cholesterol, fat, and other substances start to build up at the site of the damage, forming a plaque. This plaque is like a sticky, gooey mess that narrows the artery, making it harder for blood to flow through. It's like putting a roadblock on the highway. It slows everything down and can even cause a complete blockage. Section 7. Heart attack, stroke. Oh no. Atherosclerosis is a serious condition because it can lead to major health problems like heart attacks and strokes. These conditions occur when the blood supply to your heart or brain is blocked. Imagine a heart struggling to pump blood because its arteries are clogged with plaque. That's what happens in a heart attack. The heart muscle doesn't get the oxygen it needs and it can become damaged, leading to chest pain, shortness of breath, and even death. A stroke is similar, but it affects the brain. When a blood clot blocks an artery in the brain cells don't get the oxygen they need and can die. This can cause problems with speech, movement, and other bodily functions. These conditions are serious business, and it's important to take steps to prevent them. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and not smoking are all important ways to keep your arteries healthy and prevent atherosclerosis. Section 8. Angioplasty, clearing the roadblock. What happens if a blood vessel does get blocked by plaque? Thankfully, doctors have developed procedures to help clear those blockages and restore blood flow. One such procedure is called angioplasty. Think of angioplasty as a tiny balloon that inflates inside the blocked artery. Doctors insert a thin tube called a catheter into the artery, usually through an artery in the leg or arm. This catheter has a tiny balloon on its tip. When the catheter reaches the blockage, the balloon is inflated. This pushes the plaque against the artery walls, widening the passage and restoring blood flow. It's like using a tiny balloon to clear the traffic jam in the artery. Angioplasty can be a lifesaver for people with blocked arteries. It helps restore blood flow, prevent further damage, and improve overall health. Section 9. Fun facts about your heart. We've learned a lot about the circulatory system, but here are a few fun facts about your heart. The engine that keeps it all running. Did you know that your heart beats about 100,000 times a day? That's like a workout your heart does without you even realizing it. If you stretched out all the blood vessels in your body, they would circle the earth twice. That's a lot of roads for your blood to travel. Your heart is about the size of your fist. It's amazing how such a small organ can do so much work. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through your blood vessels, explored the wonders of your circulatory system, and learned some amazing facts about your heart. Remember, taking care of this incredible system is crucial for a long and healthy life. Subscribe for more interesting facts about your body and health.